Now, as we begin the 5th row, please take note that we'll skip a stitch and insert the hook into the next chain stitch to start this row 15. For kid size 29 to 31, normally we skip a stitch on the 5th, 8th, the 10th, and the final row. Skipping a stitch is done to maintain the curved shape of the vamp, ensuring a better fit for our feet. Keep in mind that skipped stitches may vary according to different sizes. I'll provide specific instructions at the end for your reference. When we skip a stitch on the right, it's important to also skip a stitch on the left to maintain symmetry. Typically, we would work a single crochet into the skipped stitch before making a slip stitch. You can check whether both sides are at the same level to ensure symmetry. We've skipped a stitch on the previous row. There's no need to skip a stitch on this row. As we skip a stitch on the previous row, it creates a larger hole in that stitch. Insert the hook into the center of the yarn on the chain stitch to fix the hole before the second half double crochet. It is the key to maintain good appearance of the vamp. Then continue making half double crochet increase to last stitch. You can complete the process on your own, following the provided guide to last row. Remember to skip a stitch on the corresponding row. Cut off the red yarn and weave the tail into the last row. Use a lighter to carefully seal the yarn tail to prevent unraveling. Finish the row by skipping a stitch in this row. We will make twisted single crochet stitches. Begin with a chain 1. Make a single crochet into the skipped stitch. Insert your hook into the first stitch of the previous row. We also need to fix hole here. Yarn over and draw up a loop. Twist your wrist counterclockwise to create a twist in the stitch. Join the yarn and pull through to complete the twisted single crochet. If you find it a bit challenging to pull the yarn through to twisted loops, gently shake your hand to make it easier to pass the hook through. This can help smooth the process of completing a twisted single crochet. Pull the loop slightly higher to ensure it can easily move over to the next stitch. This will help maintain the even flow of your twisted single crochet stitches. We can pull the remaining red yarn and hide the tail within the stitches to neatly secure it and complete our project. Making a twisted single crochet may be a bit challenging for beginners, but with practice, it becomes easier and more comfortable to work with. Practice is key to improving your crochet skills. Make a single crochet into the skip stitch. Then make a slip stitch to finish. Finally, fasten off. Carefully hand adjust the rows during the final inspection to ensure the vamp retains its optimal shape. Finally, cut off the yarn and fasten off. Conceal the yarn tail meticulously within the stitches to ensure it remains hidden from view. We've now successfully completed the fundamental part of crocheting the vamp. In the next video, I'll demonstrate how to crochet the Santa Claus pattern to incorporate into the vamp. You can also find ready-made crochet slippers available in our store. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any inquiries or if you'd like to make a purchase on nicecrow.com. Thank you so much for watching.